We're a full-service architectural firm. We've been in Lower Fairfield County for over 30 years, mainly multifamily residential projects for big national developers or small local developers, 30 units here or 300 units somewhere else. I still like to do a little work, by hand to get the project started. 95% of all work is generated through the hard computer and all the software programs. A lot of the buildings are complex. We have our own drawings, plus structural engineering drawings, plus mechanical, electrical, plumbing drawings, and sometimes the files get quite big, and so storage and retention of those files become critical. Yeah, the data backup it's one of those items you don't think about till it goes wrong. Sometimes we've got old emails that we want to keep that because a job's been going on and there's constant email exchange. You'd like to retain your records. Chuck and the solution department is really less of a consultant. He's really kind of a team member of ours. I may contact him, Charlene may contact him, any one of the guys may contact him. He's always the first call. Whenever there's a problem, he's been extremely responsive, almost immediate. But in terms of planning, he's also been very thoughtful and responsive too. Many of the new software packages are far complicated than they used to be. We totally trust him and 100% confidence in Chuck and his security and integrity to manage that process for us. He's one of us.